Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the all-new Nitecore EDC31. It's smaller than the EDC33 and the EDC35, but still packs some serious power. We're talking 3500 lumens. Yes, that's right, 3500 lumen in a flashlight that can fit in the palm of your hand. It's designed to be your new best friend, whether you're hiking, camping, or you just need to light up your life. Literally. Let's break it down and see what makes the EDC31 shine brighter than the rest. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. The EDC35 is a compact powerhouse that's all for 3500 lumens of max brightness. And it has a lumen shield. Lumen shield is when multiple LED lights work together to create a very bright and wide beam of light. And the search mode over 415 yards throw. That's more than 3 football fields long. And the 4 output levels for every lighting needs. We know there is a growing love for physical lockout switch, so we kept the beloved 2-stage physical lockout switch that can be found on the EDC33 and the EDC35. Rapid lock available for a full lockout mode or half a lockout mode, so you don't have to worry about accidental activation when it stows in your bag. Safety comes first, am I right? It's also IP68, which makes it waterproof and dustproof, and it can also withstand an impact from 2 meters. That's quite impressive. This little guy can practically disappear in your pocket, yet packs enough punch to light up any situation, whether you want to carry it in your jacket or you want to use the metal clip to attach it to your belt, bag, and more. And it comes with a thin lanyard cord, which make it perfect to secure it around your wrist. The EDC31's slim design make it the perfect EDC companion. Charging? No problem. With its built-in 3800 mAh lithium-ion battery, it can be fully charged in under 2 hours thanks to its USB Type-C charge port with a cap that keeps it sealed and safe. And check this out. Now the battery indicator is near the operation button, which makes it easier to read. So one glance and you know exactly where you stand. And trust me, this is super helpful when you're out and about. It uses UHI 20 Max LED, which is the same one we loved in the EDC33. It produces 3500 lumens in lumen shield mode, which is perfect for self-defense. The search mode offers 1500 lumens with an impressive 415 yards throw. The high mode offers 1100 lumens and it can run for 4 hours. The mid mode offers 300 lumens and it can run for 5 hours. The low mode offers 70 lumens and it can run for 24 hours. And the ultra low mode offers 5 lumens and it can run for 57 hours. Rapid lock. The physical lockout on the EDC31 gives you access to full lockout or half lockout, which is simply by pushing the lock switch up. That will lock all the flashlight's feature to give you the ease of mind that the flashlight is not going to turn on by accident in your pocket or your backpack. And the half lockout mode, which is by simply pressing the operation button while pushing the lock switch up, it will lock half the features of the flashlight, which will only give you access to the lumen shield and the search mode. By fully pressing the operation button and hold it, you will activate the lumen shield at the maximum brightness, which is 3500 lumens. And once you release it, you will turn it off. And if you press the operation button half press and hold it, you will activate the search mode. And once you release the button, you will turn it off. By pressing the operation button full press and release it, you will turn the flashlight on. The power output will depend on the last power output level that you were using, because it has a smart memory. Right now we're on the ultra low, which is 5 lumens. By pressing the operation button, you will cycle through all the power output levels. So we have low at 70 lumens, we have mid at 300 lumens, and we have high at 1100 lumens. And pressing it one more time, we'll go back to the ultra low. And if you want to turn it off, just simply fully press and release the operation button. And now is the time to compare the EDC31 to its older brothers, the EDC33 and the EDC35. All has USB Type-C, yet the EDC31 has a cap cover to cover the charge port, while the EDC33 and the EDC35 rotating hidden port. When you rotate it, you reveal the charge port. All has the same IP68 waterproof and dustproof and can withstand 2-meter impact. Now let's be real. It may not throw quite as much as its older brother, so you won't get the max brightness similar to the EDC35, but for almost half the weight, you get more than half the power. You get 3500 lumens, and on the high mode, you get 1100 lumens, and it can run for 4 hours. That's almost twice what the EDC33 can do for 1200 lumens, and it can run for 2 hours and 30 minutes. And here's the kicker. It can match the EDC33 and the EDC35 lower output levels. The ultra low, the low, and the mid. And on the high settings, it can slightly perform lower than the EDC33 and the EDC35. And if we're talking weight and size, then the EDC31 is definitely the winner, with 4.46 inches long and weighs only 3.53 ounces. And design-wise, the EDC33 and the EDC35 have a similar look, but the EDC31 is slightly different. And the EDC31 is the only one who have the battery indicator at the top near the operation button, which make it very easy to read. One thing to keep in mind while using the EDC31 is if you have a larger hand, your hand is probably going to be covering the top part of the flashlight. And if you're using the Lumen Shield, this part gets really hot, so you need to keep that in mind. So just move your hand above the clip. This way, you'll be in the safe. While the EDC31 is a great everyday carry, and it can offer a lot of power when needed, it was not designed to be used on the 3500 lumens for a long period of times. If you're looking for a flashlight that can offer the max brightness for a longer period of time, then I would recommend the EDC35. Here are my final thoughts on the EDC31. If you want a practical flashlight, or you just want to brag, the EDC35 with its 3500 lumens that packs in a small design that can fit in the palm of your hand and weighs only 3.5 ounces and can offer 415 yards throw. Now that's impressive. With great power comes great responsibilities. So you don't want your 3500 lumen flashlight to be turned on by accident. With its 2-stage physical lockout switch, you have the ease of mind that it will never turn on unless you want it to. If you're looking for convenience, it's rechargeable with a USB Type-C cable. That means you don't have to pack an extra charger to charge your flashlight. You can just charge it with the same charger that you charge your phone with. Try to say that 5 times. You can fully operate the flashlight with a single button that sits comfortably under your thumb. EDC users, campers, hikers, emergency prepare enthusiasts, this one is for you. That's it for today, guys. The EDC31 is everything you need in an everyday carry flashlight. Let us know in the comments if you're planning on getting one. Till next time, keep exploring and stay lit.